Ever wondered how people actually buy crypto? It's not just for tech geeks anymore. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy your first crypto, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we break down crypto and finance in the simplest way possible. So if you're first, head to Binance.com. or download the Binance app from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app as choosing a crypto exchange. Think of it like a bank, but for crypto. Some popular ones are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken.
Now create your account. You can register using your email or phone number. Enter your info, set a strong password, and tap Next. Next, Binance will ask you to verify your identity. This is called KYC. Just upload a photo of your government ID, then take a selfie. It takes a few minutes to approve.
Once verified, it's time to deposit money. On the home page, tap Buy Crypto, then choose Bank Deposit or Credit or Debit Card. Enter the amount you want to add, like $20, and follow the payment steps. Now go to the home screen and tap on the search icon. Type BTC for Bitcoin or ETH for Ethereum. Select the coin you want to buy. After selecting the coin, tap Buy. Enter how much you want to buy in USD. You can start with as little as $10. Then tap Continue.
You'll now see a confirmation screen. Double-check the amount and tap Confirm. Boom! You now officially own crypto. To see your crypto, tap Wallet at the bottom of the app. You'll see your BTC or ETH there. You did it! Welcome to the crypto world. And that's how you buy your first crypto on Binance. It's easier than most people think. If this helped you, drop a like and share it with someone who's ready to start their crypto journey.